This is to help empower tourism through the AI era. So, what are we talking about today? Your journey into AI. We're going to address your AI questions. Is AI going to take my job? What does it mean for my business? AI and you. Understanding AI as a partner, not as a replacement. Very important. Essential skills. Thriving in the AI digital landscape. How does that look? AI in action. We're going to have some practical examples. I'll also leave some links in the description below so that you can test these AI examples and chatbot demos. Free resources, tips and tools to get you on your way. You can feel free to visit our website, globalthinking.ai/tourism/resources. I'll also leave the link in the description where you can get free resources for AI uses in tourism. And then questions and answers. Well, if you've got any questions and answers, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we aim to get back to you ASAP. Alternatively, also visit our website, globalthinking.ai, and you'll find plenty of available chatbots to help you with your questions and answers. So, addressing your AI questions. Is AI going to take my job? What does it mean for my business? Let's address that elephant in the room. AI and your job. The future won't be about AI versus humans. It'll be about humans who know how to use AI. As cliched as that may seem, this is the truth. AI is here to stay, and it is not only coming, it is already here. Learning how to use AI is what makes you irreplaceable in a rapidly changing world. Skills or job security. The most valuable people are those who learn to use AI effectively. You're already ahead. So just by attending this session or watching this video, you're future-proofing your skills and your business and embracing change. So you're on your way already. So congratulations for doing that. AI is the tool. You are the driver. Remember this. It's an important point. AI cannot do anything without you. You need to instruct. Technology supports the work. Your creativity, insight, and leadership still steers the business. Skills are irreplaceable. Your experience is irreplaceable. Disruptive technologies. Let's learn from history. Disruptive technology is a new innovation that radically changes the way that industry operates. The rise of the automobile in the early 1900s was a disruptive technology. The internet boom, 1990s to the 2000s, was a disruptive technology. Smartphones and mobile tech revolution in 2007 plus, that was a disruptive technology. These are three powerful historical examples of how technological disruption didn't destroy jobs, but instead reshaped industries, created new roles, and rewarded those who adapted early. So let's look at this in a little bit of more detail. The rise of the automobile in the 1900s. What changed? Cars replaced horse-drawn transport, jobs disrupted, blacksmith, carriage makers, horse stable workers. In return, the jobs created mechanics, assembly line workers, auto dealers, driving instructors, road planners. The lesson, the entire industry shifted, but the transportation sector grew exponentially. So from horseshoes to highways, the progress created more opportunity than it removed. This is important to remember. It created more opportunity than it removed. The internet boom, let's take a look at this, 1900s to the 2000s. What changed? The internet became mainstream, digitizing communication, commerce, and media. Jobs disrupted, travel agents, printers, fax machines, traditional marketers, typists, and many more. Now, because this is about travel, specifically travel, I put in travel agents importantly there because travel agents also thrived with this change, as we'll see. Jobs created, web designers, SEO experts, digital marketers, app developers, e-commerce managers, yes, even tourism. The lesson here, the internet destroyed some jobs but gave birth to entire new professions. And in the travel industry itself, most travel now is done online. So this disruption that was perceived never really came to those who moved quickly. Nobody was hiring social media managers in 2000. Now it's a core role in most companies. Think about that. One last one, the smartphone and mobile tech revolution, 2007 plus. What changed? iPhones and mobile apps changed to how we work and communicate in the market. The jobs that were disrupted, basic mobile phone repair, map printing companies, camera companies, even physical retail. But the jobs that were created, app developers, UX designers, mobile marketers, influencers, mobile support engineers, social media platforms. And the lesson here, small screens created massive industries. The smartphone put the world in your pocket and opened millions of new jobs. So, AI and you, understanding AI as a partner, not as a replacement. Think of AI as your co-pilot, like riding an e-bike. You still have to ride the bike, but which one looks easier to you? You're the expert in your business, your destination, and your guests. AI is there to help you, but you still need to drive. The tech myth. I'm not technical enough to use AI. This is an absolute myth, and I speak from my own experience. I am not from a coding background, a technical background at all. I have no experience. I've just learned this from prompting. AI is a no-code tool. You don't need to have tech background to use it at all. So no code, what does this mean? It means you can use powerful tools like AI, automation, chatbots, landing pages, and emails without needing to write a single line of code or hire a developer. So this is now available to everyone. If you can tap your phone, instead of learning programming, you use drag and drop builders, checkboxes, templates, and simple instructions, just like using your phone. Here's another simple analogy. You do not need to know how the engine works to drive the car. AI is the same. All you have to do is drive. So essential skills, thriving in the digital landscape. What do you have to do? AI tools. The most important thing with AI is to avoid the overwhelm. Think of AI as a box of tools, and you want to build on your box of tools. So you get thinking and planning tools, strategy, research, idea generation. You get content and copy tools that help you with writing, editing, and repurposing. You get creative and visual tools that help with design, video, voice, and imagery. Automation and engagement tools, things like chatbots, workflows, and marketing. You learn one tool at a time, and the more you learn about these tools, the more you can fill your toolbox. Think of AI tools like tools in a toolbox, basically. A hammer, a screwdriver, pliers, etc. The more tools you have in the toolbox, the more you can do. It's that simple. AI tools. The more tools you have, the more tools you can do, as we've already said. So how do you get more tools in your toolbox? There are so many AI tools. So core habits to stay ahead of the curve without the overwhelm. 1. Make learning a weekly ritual. Set aside 30 minutes each week to try a new tool. Watch the tutorial or experiment with prompts. Collect tools, not just tips. In other words, pick one tool at a time. Learn it and feel comfortable before moving on. This is important so that you don't create overwhelm for yourself. Learn with a community. Surround yourself with others who are learning too. Momentum grows when you're not doing it alone. There are hundreds of communities out there that are learning how to use these AI tools from beginners to advanced, and they are incredibly helpful and welcoming. Practice prompting like a pro. Good prompts equal good results. Treat prompting as a skill, not as a trick. Learn how to be specific, clear, and goal-focused. Prompting is basically when you're telling the AI what to do. The better instructions you give, the better results you'll get. AI and you. You are in charge. AI is just there to help you. Just remember that you are still the boss. Use your skills and knowledge to build your AI dream team. AI, what does this mean? Build your dream team. Means learn the tools. Think of each AI tool as a new member of your team. There are more The more you understand what they do, the more effectively they can work for you. Same as a team, like a human team. Know their strengths. This means use the right tool for the right job. You wouldn't use a plumber to do a social media job. So use the right tools for the right jobs. The example there, just like you wouldn't use a kayak guide to edit a promo video, don't expect one AI tool to do everything. Know your team's roles. Make them work together equals build your dream team. Now, as we've mentioned, different tools do different jobs, and without overwhelm, as you learn them one by one, you will learn how they can work together. AI is most powerful when your tools talk to each other, just like a real team. When everyone is sync, the whole business runs smoother. Building your team of co-pilots. Here's an example. Each tool is like a team member with individual talents. To get the most of them, you need to know what they're capable of and how to give them specific tasks aligned with their talents. For example, ChatGTP. We all know of ChatGTP, but in this case, I find it best for marketing ideas, promo planning, customer personas, tour naming, prompt-based brainstorming, and to simplify complex ideas into actionable plans. So the use cases, for example, will give me 5 promo ideas for my Queenstown winter adventure packages targeting Aussie families. Team member number 2, Claude, which is just another large language model similar to ChatGTP. I find this best for analyzing customer reviews and feedback, summarizing documents, strategy notes and trends, and generating proposals for deeper thinking around brand and voice. It's a much better writing tool, in my opinion, than ChatGTP. So ChatGTP does the research, the planning for me, and Claude does the writing. So use case example. Read these 50 guest reviews and summarize what our key selling points are. Then Google Gemini. I normally use Gemini. It's best for live access to Google Short search and for brainstorming. It also has now a newer feature called Deep Research, where you can use it to research and reference various sites from around the globe to help you with your research. It integrates with Google Docs and Sheets. The use case example: what events are happening in Rotorua during July? What can we align a promo with? Go and do the research. So it can research for you, and from there you can plan. So AI in action. Practical examples for tourism businesses. I see hundreds of tourism businesses with thousands and thousands of followers putting up posts like this one here. Nothing beats a ride along the coast. What a view. But there's no follow-up, there's no call to action, and all you can see is likes. Likes do not create bookings. So let's have a look. Nothing beats a ride along the coast. What a view. Engagement, 224 likes, as I've already said. Results, 0 clicks, no link, no engagement, no leads, just admiration. Why this fails? There's no hook. Hook story offer concept is one of these. We can cover that in a different video. Hook story offer. It's a very, very valuable framework for marketing. No reason to act or click. No addition for information or call to action. Purely aesthetic. No strategic. Assumes the viewer already knows what the business offers. And marketing without an offer, let's be honest, or marketing without a call to action is just branding. It's beautiful, yes. Bookable, no. So we're going to put together our AI team. Let our AI dream team build a better, more strategic post. So we call upon ChatGTP. We use ChatGTP to generate the ideas and the strategy. We then use Canva. We use Canva with Magic Create to edit the image. And then lastly, our chatbot, Global Thinker. We used our chatbot to handle the comments on Facebook bookings and then on the website as well. So let's take a look. This is the improved post. There is a definite offer, 50% offer. The mountains are calling. That's the hook. Epic mountain biking. hook, offer, and call to action, comment book. So, looking for your next epic ride, comment book, and we'll DM you the exclusive locals deals for this month. Join us on a one-day guided bike tour at Fletcher's Bay, coastal cliffs, native bush, and finish the line that overlooks the paradise. It's 100% Coromandel magic, no crowds, just coastline. Daily departure, and it's got, even in addition to the comment book, another link that allows people to create a call to action. We are creating engagement here through this post. Now, here's where the magic comes in, the chatbot automation. When someone comments book, the chatbot replies with the tour overview, a link to the booking, and frequently asked questions, and a special offer. The engagement is high. The value and interaction now gets 84 comments, and the reach boost and lead gen equals bookings. Why it works? It tells them what, where, and why. What, where, and why now. Creates intrigue with great hook, story, offer, a concept. It's all there. It invites engagement with a low friction call to action, exclusive call to action. It uses an AI chatbot to handle the rest of the conversation and captures leads even when they don't book immediately. So if you'd like to try the chatbot demo, you visit our website globalthinking.ai, tourism AI chatbot demo. I'm going to click on, there's 3 demos you can choose from here. I'm going to just choose this to go in the flow of what we've been doing. That'll take me to Facebook, and as you can see, this would be your tour that you would put in here. This is just the demo, but this would represent your tour. We're going to write in here book. See what happens. So from there, we've got, hey, this is the bot will respond, hey, thanks for your interest. I sent you the DM with the details. So we go to the message here. There's the message that's just arrived. Hey, Brent, thanks for your interest in the tours. Which one are you looking to book today? Choose below. Remember, it's just a demo, so you don't have to book anything, but you'll see how the magic works. Obviously, this is our demo, but you would have your welcome to this tour is about X, Y, and Z, and give you the details of the tour or whatever you wanted to say. You can also say it for more than one tour or more than one option of each tour. So we'll go to the bike tour. This will be effectively the landing page for your tour. In this case, we're going to explain to you how the demo works. So on this page would be your booking page, example booking page. So what just happened? You commented on the Facebook or Instagram post, comment book. Yes, it works on Facebook and Instagram. You got the personalized DM response. Instantly, the bot sent you the landing page, i.e. your booking page. This is where your guests can complete the booking or learn more about your tour. From here, the chatbot continues to complete and help the booking. So if the guest has any more information, the chatbot will click up and we can start a new conversation. Can you help me with AI? I'm saying, can you help me with AI? Because this is our AI platform, obviously, but you would say, can you tell me more about the tour? What does the tour cost? When does it leave? Etc. And from here, the interaction, as you can see, the bot will then help you, guide you through the booking process. So from a static booking, we now have an interactive booking where we are engaging with the client and collecting information. So what we've done on this page as well, if you want to try it out, we've got the guide to your AI toolkit for booking on social media. It's a free downloadable guide. You can grab it over here on our website to help you with social media bookings, and it's also got a bit of marketing strategy there in for you. So it's a free downloadable guide. And then if you want to find out more about these chatbots and how they can help you, we also have a booking page there. Just choose a time. This will be in your time zone, and you can book a 30-minute meeting with us where we can understand your needs and help you with implementing and using chatbots in your social media strategy as well as on your website. AI is not going to replace you, but someone who knows how to use it might. That's why you're here, and you're already ahead. You've taken the first step. Now keep learning, keep testing, and keep building. The sooner you understand AI, the sooner it starts working for you. Today you showed up, tomorrow you'll scale up. Showing up today proves that you are ready. Now take the momentum and keep upskilling. AI moves fast, but so can you. This isn't the end, it's only your on-ramp. You've stepped into the AI journey, now keep exploring, keep practicing, and stay curious. Global Thinking is here to help you every step of the way. If you'd like to learn more about the automated chatbots, please follow the link in the description.